little.
All right, so we about to start this road trip, right, Liv?
Yes.
We heading out. We got the new V. Check us out. We doing it big, but hopefully this will be a safe trip. We're leaving a little later than we wanted, but it's gonna be a good time. Me and my baby. All right, we're here. It's the Airbnb for the weekend. Nice little setup here. Got the whole place. It's cool. So instead of buying a flower bouquet and an arrangement, I bought a bunch of flowers. I got them on sale. I got all of these for like $20 and I'm about to make an arrangement. So whose do you think look better? This is mine with the sunflower. This is hers. No, you cheating, you turn it. Look at my arrangement. Look at that.
Nothing.
Day 2, or is it day 1?
It's day 1.
Day 1. Now we're heading out. I'm about to start the day. It's the lovely, beautiful Queen's birthday today. So hopefully just have a good day, right?
Yes.
So here we are at our first stop, Buttermilk Falls. We have to wear masks when you come in. This is one of the beautiful gorges. It's a nice waterfall, but unfortunately you can't swim right now because there's no lifeguards and the water pressure. No lie, hiking with a mask is different. It's hard to breathe and we're going uphill, but staying safe, keeping our distance, but it's difficult. What's up, birthday girl? Going in. It's not deep at all. Me, you know I'm scared of heights, but I gotta do it.
Oh Lord.
Why are you doing this?
You said you're not cold?
I'm
Your whole body is shaking.
I'm a little cold, but
you're literally freezing.
I'm not
shaking. Look at you.
I'm not freezing, but I'm a little cold.
You're not freezing?
I've been colder. It's always worth it. Experiences over fears.
lake, one of the Finger Lakes, okay?
Yeah, so we're kayaking. I'm pretty much doing all the work, but since she's not kayaking, we're just kind of
It's my birthday.
So now I gotta do all this work, okay. Just chilling, Liv? Just chilling?
Huh?
Just chilling?
Just chilling.
Alright.
Out here.
You know I'm out here working, man.
Put in that work.
Put in that work. Anything for my baby girl. I don't know how, but this ship sunk. I'm going down, baby. Liv, how you let that go down? My man also, he said, if I ain't going down, everybody going down with me. Look, he pulled the whole dock with him. No respect. All right, so we're walking to dinner, but also right here is the Cayuga Lake. Walking on this beautiful path, waiting our next tables in about 20 minutes. So hopefully some good food, right, Liv?
Yes.
Birthday dinner.
Yum.
Olivia says she's starting her vegan journey and got scallops.
This is a vegan scallop.
Yo, this is a scallop, Liv. That is not a mushroom.
It's vegan.
Liv, that
It's
is
not
not
vegan.
That is a scallop.
No, it's not.
It's a scallop.
No, it's vegan.
It's currently day 2 or day 3.
Day 2.
And I'm trying to figure out what should I do. I'm in a dilemma. I have graduation at 2 o'clock. It's online. I don't really care about it. Or I could go to a natural park. Should I go to graduation?
Yes.
I say no.
Both.
I say no. Yo, I have no idea what this is, but can y'all see this sign? What does that mean? So I decided to go to Cornell University for my graduation. Make me feel smarter than I am. I'm at an Ivy League university here, and I'm graduating. So I guess I'm a genius. I guess I'm a genius. So here we are at Robert Treman Park. Came here, it's maybe about 45 minutes from where we were. $8 to come in. It's a New York State Park. Actually, swimming here is prohibited as well. So we'll see.
Ryan Little.
So normally you'd be able to dive off of this, but look at this. Unfortunately, there's no lifeguards here. I don't want to do it. I really do want to swim, but I'm not going to take the chance. But come on. I think this is a suggestion. Oh yeah, he's here, we good. Here we are at these steps. Still got a lot more to go, but beautiful views. Mask off, mask off, mask off. Now we're walking through this. Look at this. What a beauty. What a beauty. What a beauty. So here we are at Robert Treman Park. This is a beautiful park right in Ithaca. It is a state park, and this is formed right here with the Enfield blend. This is a natural gorge, and look how gorgeous this is. Heading back to New York. I mean, I guess we already were in New York, but heading back to Long Island. It was a beautiful trip, right, Liv? How was it?
Yes, I had a good time.
Ithaca's great. It was someplace that I never thought I would go to, but full with water, full with gorges, and overall gorgeous.